Welcome to RiseWindows. In this video, I will be showing you to install and run Windows Cortana on Windows 11 and 10. Cortana now has an updated chat-based user interface where you can type or click on the microphone button to speak requests in natural language. You can use Bing Answers and chat with Cortana to find local information and keep track of the latest news, weather, and finance update with Cortana. Before using Cortana, you must log in with your work, school, or Microsoft account. Cortana is now storing updatable, so you can look forward to seeing new features and productivity scenarios available in future updates. You want to use Cortana on Windows 11 and not find it on your PC. What to do? First, check Cortana in the Search tab by typing it. If you find it there, use it otherwise. Follow the below steps to install Cortana into your system. Step 1. Open Microsoft Store app from Start button in Taskbar. You can directly open it from Taskbar. For that, it should be pinned to Taskbar. Step 2. Search Cortana in the Windows Store search bar when opened. Step 3. Click on Cortana app icon. Now click on Get button. It will start downloading and installing Cortana to Windows 11 PC. Cortana starts automatically on the startup of your PC. Do you want to stop it? Okay, we will guide you on preventing Cortana from automatically starting when you start your Windows 11 PC. Follow the below given steps. Step 1. You need to open the Settings app on your PC. Step 2. Click on Apps from the left sidebar list. Step 3. Click on the Startup header from the correct sidebar list. Step 4. From the Startup Apps list, find the Cortana app. Step 5. Turn off the toggle button on the right. Your process is complete after this. In the future, if you want the same setting, then you can change it manually from here. Now Cortana will not start when you start your Windows 11 PC. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Press bell icon to get latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Keep watching, learning, and growing. Thanks for watching.